Stuck on Google verification after factory reset on your Huawei or Honor phone. That's called FRP lock. It protects your device, but if you forgot your Google account or bought a secondhand phone, it can completely lock you out. In this video, I'll show you the latest Huawei Honor FRP bypass tools in 2026 for Android 14, 15, and even Android 16. Let's get started. All screen recordings in this video were captured using Focusy. Method 1. Bypass Honor FRP lock using Google FRP code. On the Google verification screen, tap Emergency Call, enter a random code similar to the following, ##25943#. If diagnostic mode is on, try going to the Settings or Test menu. Select Factory Reset again. However, these codes are generally ineffective on Android 12 and above. Most newer Honor firmware has completely disabled this vulnerability, making it difficult to bypass the FRP lock even if the menu is open. Method 2. Bypass Honor FRP lock using professional Huawei Honor FRP bypass tool. If you want a safe and reliable solution, the best tool for Honor FRP bypass in 2026 is iMobie DroidKit Android Toolkit. It can remove Google FRP lock without password, support Android 6 to Android 15, works with Honor and other major brands, no root required, no complicated flashing, secure and encrypted process. Free download DroidKit on your PC and select the FRP bypass mode. Connect your Honor device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. The configuration file will be prepared for you. After completing, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. Once completed, your Honor phone will restart without FRP lock. That's it. The above is a sharing of the latest and most effective Huawei Honor FRP bypass tool in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Subscribe to the channel.